Stocks on the dip. We have FOSL, TOVX, and HYPR. FOSL is down 38.67%. This is Thursday, the 16th of October, 2025. Okay, let's see what's going on with FOSL. Okay, the stock, or rather, the company says it's extending exchange offer. Shares of Fossil Group tumbled after the company extended the deadline for investors to exchange $150 million of its senior notes due in 2026. Okay, okay, that's what's going on. The extrapolation is saying on this 4-hour chart that we might, rather, the weakness will remain in place up till midday today, or may have already printed, and then we may get a bounce thereafter, and that may remain in place. That bounce may remain in place up till pre-market session of tomorrow, the 17th. Then after that, we may get a deeper plunge, yeah, a deeper contraction, yeah, a deeper retracement, and then after that, you might, consolidate with from there. You might consolidate with an accommodative bias. No guarantee that that will be the case. Projections are currently saying 2.58, 2.58. Okay, slight upward projection currently. Before now, it had even lower prices as low as 1.38, 1.57, 1.88. Okay, there were also not upper projections of 2.98, 3.22, 3.34, 3.41. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, 3.41. There's 3.53, 3.78, 3.93. Those were all the way back towards September. Selling pressure, as you can easily imagine, severely bearish on all time frames, but deep buying is going on, especially affecting the 10 period moving average. It's a very bearish. The stock positions opened 40 hours ago underwater. However, I can see the derivatives are all positive. The first derivative is indicating that momentum is accelerating. Is momentum is there, is building up, and then the second derivative indicates the pace of that momentum. Okay, on the 21 period moving average, it's still severely bearish. Positions opened 84 hours ago are not for some reason the stock has cycled, so it's affecting that position, those positions, or positions opened towards that period. However, it's a mix of things. The first derivative, okay, there's been some buying pressure. However, it's also decaying, it's also degrading, it's also losing steam as things stand right now. Okay, let's see what we have. TOVX down 42.64%. Let's see how they are trading the stock. Okay, TOVX. Okay, so the extrapolation is saying that ultimately it's going to be a distributive contraction. Okay, so in the interim, lower prices may continue to print up till they close up today. So it might just, at various times it may bounce and all that. So this stuff that might delight some traders. Okay, projections are currently saying 0.6260. This is a case of contracting the previous session's expansion. Yeah, that's what we are looking at here. Okay, price pressure momentums, the 10 and 21 period moving averages are still trending, even though the stock is trading at a discount, at the discount to them. But it's all about the positions opened 40 hours ago or 84 hours ago, as the case may be. Those positions are still good. That will be somewhere around somewhere here. at lower prices relative to where it is now. So that's why they're still trending, even though the stock is down 41%. Okay, those moving averages are still trending. But let's see, are they buying the deep? Let's see. We can find out if they are. If they have been buying the deep, yeah, they have been buying the deep. They have been trying to reverse the downtrend. They have been trying to do so. Yeah, they have been trying to do so, especially on the 10-period moving average. Yeah. Okay, let's see what's going on with HYPR. HYPR down 31.36%. Let's see. HYPR. Okay, let's see if we can find some news concerning HYPR. Okay, tumbles our stock offering period, a stock offering priced at a steep discount. Okay. Okay, the company announced it's pricing 14 million shares at $1.25 for $17.5 million gross raise. Okay, offering is about 43% below stocks at last close of $2.2. Okay, the company has about 78.6 million shares outstanding. Intends to use net offering proceeds for net for working capital and general purposes, including commercial, manufacturing, and R&D activities. Yeah, okay. So let's see what we have. The extrapolation is saying that the weakness currently in place at the moment will remain in place up till the close of today's trading session. May remain in place up to the close of today's trading session. Then after that, it may bounce. So it's ultimately a consolidation between yeah, it's a consolidation between I would say 1.73 and let's say between 1.79 and 1.55, going all the way towards the 27th of October. There's no guarantee that that will be the case. Okay, projections are currently saying 2.5, 2.8, 2.98. Setting pressure. Let's see. The stock. This is not. Let's see what we have. Okay, so this is a contraction of yesterday's expansion. So okay, unfortunately, positions opened all the way back to 84 hours ago. Are bearish, including the ones opened 40 hours ago. They're all bearish. However, the derivatives, all four of derivatives on these two moving averages are all positive, robustly positive. Let's see what we have in terms of whether they are okay. Maybe they are not really buying the deep. Selling pressure seems to be increasing. Okay, the momentum is decelerating. Yeah, momentum is decelerating. Selling pressure is very much in effect. But if not that, they're still holding up. They're still holding. They're still holding the line. Yeah. Okay, that's what's going on. Have a look at these stocks, and thank you very much for watching this video.